Good evening. As President of Mary Immaculate College, I'm delighted to welcome all of you to our annual Professor Michael Hayes Memorial Lecture. This lecture is held in memory of former MIC President, Reverend Professor Michael Hayes. We scheduled the lecture for today, December the 8th, the Feast of the Immaculate Conception, as it marks the foundation day of Mary Immaculate College. I have the privilege of introducing tonight's topic and tonight's distinguished speaker. It's particularly timely and fitting that Dr. Austin Ivory will speak on the theme of the Spirit and the People, the sources of Pope Francis's dream of a synodal church. Just 3 months ago, in October 2021, a 2-year synodal process in the Catholic Church was opened by Pope Francis. Dr. Austin Ivory is a UK-based Roman Catholic academic, journalist, author, commentator, and biographer of Pope Francis. He's a fellow in contemporary church history at Campion Hall, Oxford, and he holds a DPhil from the University of Oxford. His doctoral thesis was on Catholicism and Politics in Argentina, an interpretation with special reference to the period 1930 to 1960. Dr. Ivory is a former deputy editor of The Tablet, a Catholic International weekly review, and previously served as the Public Affairs Director for former Archbishop of Westminster, Cardinal Cormac Murphy O'Connor. He's the author of the 2014 biography, The Great Reformer, Francis and the Making of a Radical Pope, and his 2019 book, Wounded Shepherd, Pope Francis and his struggle to convert the Catholic Church, examines Pope Francis's attempt to steer the Church away from power and to create a more welcoming institution. Austin is also the founder of Catholic Voices, a United Kingdom-based communications organisation that trains lay people to promote Catholic viewpoints in the media. We're particularly delighted to welcome him to Mary Immaculate College to the annual Michael Hayes Memorial Lecture hosted by the Irish Institute for Catholic Studies, and I now hand you over to our speaker, Dr. Austin Ivory.